So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Shabarish Narayanan. I'm an amateur writer, a budding filmmaker, and a professional stand-up comedian. Hopefully, one day. See, I'm the only stand-up comedian in Kochi who's on Netflix. Yeah? I'm the only stand-up comedian in Kochi who's on Netflix watching Virda's special. So I went to my parents one day and I said, like, I want to be a comedian. You know what they said? Are you joking? Yes, I would love to. People will laugh at you. Exactly. See, that's what Indian parents, they won't support, they're like partially supporting. And like my mother said to me, like, why don't you go for engineering and all? Yeah, but I'm okay with that. Like, I'm okay, like, my parents won't support. It's okay, it's fine, it's just another deal. Because if my mother is supporting today I will go back home and my mother will be like, Shabarish, you went to go to open mic? Yeah, I went for an open mic. How many laughs did you get? How many laughs does Manurag get? Which tuition class Manurag is going? It's crazy Indian parents. I'm talking about my mother. My mother is really into, like, she's really into technology nowadays. Yeah, she's really into technology. One day I was inside my room and she was outside my room in WhatsApp, sending those precious messages like Fruity has AIDS to family groups. So I decided to watch the series called Game of Thrones. I came inside and I was nicely like gonna watch the door and I watched the series. And my mother was like, Shabarish, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm watching Game of Thrones. I'm eating. So I nicely went down to close the door. Okay, I went down to close the door. Shabarish, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm closing the door, Mom. Shabarish, if you close the door, how will the Wi-Fi come out? It's crazy. I think she considers Wi-Fi as a person. Every time it will be like, no, who's there? Wi-Fi. Really crazy, yeah. And my mother, like, another day I was going out somewhere, but the breakfast was not ready. So I asked my mom why the breakfast is not ready. She said, Shabarish, you're not the president of this country. You have to wait. Weird logic. I agree, I'm not like, I agree. And I'm like, okay, I agree, I'm not like the president of this country, but I'm like the prime minister of this country. Because I don't have a degree and traveling is my hobby. I love applause. See, that's kidding. So yeah, so I talked about my mother, so I definitely need to talk about my father. My mother really loves technology, my father hates it. He simply hates it. Happily married for 22 years. Okay. So other day I went down to debate with my father like how good technology is. With technology you can book a bus seat right here, right now. It's crazy, right? Like I said that and my father like said, I can book a bus seat back then using this handkerchief. Okay, cool. But my father has this weird habit like he covers everything. He covers the bike moment I parked, the laptop moment I switched off. I think he regrets for not using cover. At some point of his life. Maybe that's why I don't have any siblings. Just when I was born, he started covering everything. And like when you know that, like, every father is like that. Like, whenever I go out, like, I will be the. Oh, that cover joke is just translated. Great cover joke. So yeah, every father is like that. Every time I go out somewhere, like the TV will be on, my dad nicely comes and off the TV. You go for a pee, the dad offs it. Like he hates, I think he hates electricity at some point, I don't know. So, it's okay. You can switch off lights in your house, it's fine. He goes somebody's house, he'll see a neighbor. Oh, that Leland is not in house, I think. Maybe I should get there and off the light. It's crazy. And one day I went out to morning walk with him. And guess what? A bike is coming with the headlight. He looked at his watch and said, oh, 6 a.m. He started this action. You can't. And he asked me, like, who pays bill? I'm like, not I am. No, I am not paying. Okay, cool. Another day we went to Bangalore and again, like 6 a.m. A bike is coming with the headlight. My dad starts to this spoke action. And the bike stopped exactly near my father. And that guy came out near me, removed the helmet. And that guy turns out to be a girl. And she stabbed my father. And I'm still fine because in her perspective, what she is seeing is like old uncle with the mandu mundu, showing this action. Such a creepy dad I had. Thank you guys, that's my time. You guys be fabulous. Thank you. Thank you, Manrak, for this wonderful venue. This looks like I'm going to get married today. Yeah, but so you can find me in Facebook, Sabarish, and Instagram as Stand Up Sabari. And if you find me in Tinder, please swipe right.